Hey guys, welcome back. Listen, I'm trying to get my backyard in order for the summer season, and that is to include gardening as well as some structures that needs to be replaced, fixed, and made or produced or built. So right now, I'm building this garden greenhouse. And I just wanted to show you guys so far where I am and where I'm at in the build. So it says it needs multiple people to build this thing. And that's quite possible if you want it to go really, really fast. But so far, I think I'm doing pretty good. I have the poles. I did need to flip this because this part ovals down, and this is where the shelves going to be built up in it. But I had it backwards, and the shelves were over here, and I want the door. This is where you will walk into the greenhouse. It's not a very big greenhouse. It's probably about 7 feet wide or long, and about 1, 2, 3, maybe 3, 4 feet, maybe about 4 feet wide. So let me show you what I'm working with. So here are the instructions. Here is where I'm at now. Now just think about, I had that over here, and I'm gonna show you the finished look of it. It is this right here. And this is the name of it. Of course, it's a Temu thing. And yeah, so I needed that to be able for me to walk in. And another thing was trying to figure out where I wanted to put it in my yard. Now, my yard it's pretty spacey, but I still want to garden in my yard. And and unfortunately, because of some things that I have down in my ground, I was going to put it here up against the indoor patio window, but it came out too far. And when they come to inspect that, they need to get to it. So I had removed the borders and all. So got to put that stuff back, cleaned it up and everything. It's all right because, again, I'm working, trying to get everything in order. Just wanted to show you guys where I'm at in the garden. Now, another thing is this bamboo fencing. Yeah, it's kind of falling down. It's still in good shape. I need to treat it. I wish I would have done it when I bought the stuff to do it with, but I did not. So I need to get that taken care of and figure out where I want the grill to go this year. I made this little patio. As you can see, it's not in perfect shape, but it'll do its job. I just put some tarp over because some grass is growing. I did not feel like cutting it at the time, so I said I'm going to let nature do its thing and cover it and try to kill the weeds. Now here, and I just placed things over so it wouldn't fly away. So here's my table. I was out here doing some planting, and I pulled some dirt out that I put some seeds in, and the seeds were not growing. So I said, let me just dry this out and get those flying bugs out. I think I messed up when I sprayed it with some peroxide and a little bit of peroxide and water. I thought I read somewhere where that can kill the flying bugs, but I may have been mistaken because it did not do well for my seedlings. It's all right. So, yeah, I have another bamboo fence that I'm going to put on this side because I did have those type of dividers there. But over the years, they fall down, they break up, the wind gets to them, and it just tears it apart. So I do have a few more, but I think what I'm going to do is put the other bamboo fence right here to block off, you know, my area here so I can sit out here. I have a pool that can fit in this area too. So just in case I want to put the pool out here and sit in the pool for a couple days, I want to be able to do that. And I am covering the fencing with some more materials I bought. So I have to finish that up, tie it down the bottom, and go all the way across as I can. Oh my goodness, look at my kale, it's bolting. Oh, yeah, it's still a little warm, so I probably need to go ahead and pull that out and use it. Oh, I need to water my cabbage, poor thing. Oh, y'all, I tell you, I have not been actively doing what I need to do, but Lord knows He's gonna get me in order. So yeah, I do have some things growing over here. My potatoes are going, my onion is going, and I need to finish potting up some stuff. I have some seedlings in the house that are growing that I'm ready to put in some of these pots and get finished. So okay guys, so I just want to let you know. Oh, and this right here, I have to I want to put up for this year, like a little area I can sit out here instead of sitting on the second outside patio. I can do that, but and I had one time I put the swimming pool here. It was really good, and but I just want to see what else I can do in my yard back here. So guys, I need to take down the plastic from the winter and cut the grass a little bit more. I just cut it about last week, but it's growing back up. I need to pull that fence. One of the trees I got cut, that I cut down over there, right there, fell on the fence and it bent the fence outward into my neighbor's yard. So I need to fix that, get that done, get it taken care of. That's the other side of the privacy fencing that I had, and I just took it down. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm definitely gonna use the bamboo sticks for the garden, some type of way, because you can use those to hold up your plantings. So try not to throw away things that you can reuse. That's for sure. Okay, guys, so let me get back to it and see what's happening. I'll show you how far I've gotten the next time I come on. Okay, guys, thanks for being here. I will see you in the next one. Smooches, darlings.